Information searching strategy. What is search strategy? A search string is a combination of keyword, truncation symbols, and Boolean operators you enter into the search box of an electronic library resource or an internet search engine. In order to retrieve the most relevant results, you need to use some of type effective search strategy. First is use keyword and specific terms. Second, used Boolean operator. Third, used quotation marks. Then user also can used wildcard or truncation. Use keyword and specific term. Use keyword terms that are specific to the subject you are researching. Do not enter long descriptive phrases or whole essay titles. Be clear about your topic and pick out the important concepts to use as keywords in your search. For example, plagiarism is common among students. Use keyword plagiarism in your search to find your topic, or you can use plagiarism plus student in your searching. Do not enter stop words in databases. Examples of stop words in databases are an, and, because, between, and so on. Use Boolean operator. What is Boolean operator? Boolean operators are simple words, and, or, not, used as conjunctions to combine or exclude keywords in a search, resulting in more focused and productive result. Use and, between search terms to find records that use all of the terms. For example, searching accounting and auditing will find articles that have both plagiarism and copyright in the data fields. To be sure that you find all articles on your topic, use or between search terms to search for synonyms of a concept. For example, search for accounting or auditing. If your search results contain items that you want excluded, you can use the not connector. If you are searching for articles on accounting, and keep getting results for the auditing, searching for accounting not auditing will exclude those results. If you are looking for a specific phrase, there's a simple way to make your searches more effective, using quotation marks for exact phrases. When you use quotation marks around a phrase, you are telling the search engine to only bring back pages that include these search terms. For example, search result for managerial accounting before using quotation marks is 9,360,000 result. If user use quotation mark in their searching, the phrase will return only those exact words in that order. It's one of the best ways to limit the pages returned, and you can see the result is only 531,000. A wildcard finds variant spellings of words. Use it to search for a single character or replace letters within a word. Many databases use a question mark or hashtag as their wildcard symbol. Wildcards are useful for finding British and American spellings. For example, behavio, R will find behavior and also behavior, or WOM hashtag N will find woman and also women. Truncation is useful for finding singular and plural forms of words and variant endings. Shorten your keyword to its stem or trunk and add the truncation symbol. Many databases use an asterisk as their truncation symbol. For example, compute asterisk would search for any word containing the stem compute, computer, computing and computation. Remember, the more you research, the better you get. Be patient and don't always assume that the first article you find is the best article. Use the information by looking at URLs, references, or statistics. Searching will take more time than you think. If you have any inquiries and questions about the information searching strategy, you can contact us through the medium provided. Thank you for watching our online guide video.